Good morning, everyone. This is Joe Henches, and this is a stock chart analysis update on Netflix. Today is Wednesday, January 21st, and pardon my voice. I've got a little issue this morning with the frog in my throat, trying to get rid of it. But anyway, this is a daily chart on Netflix. This shows last night's close at 348.80. It is currently trading at around 411, so right at this dotted line. So here, I'm going to do my quick assessment of this. Let's take a look at a weekly chart. I think Netflix has completed a fifth wave up from a low back in 2002, okay? 5 major waves up, very strong third wave in here, fourth wave that did not overlap wave 1, and these are large impulse waves, and a fifth wave that I think has terminated up here around August 29th last year. So let's zoom in on a daily chart, take a look at this fifth wave. Well, actually, this is the fifth primary wave. This is the fifth wave within that wave. Okay, and you can see clearly that we've been in a little bit of a breakdown situation here, broke the trend line, broke down out of this. I think we've got 5 waves down. I think that's an A move, and what we're seeing right now is an A, B, C counter trend move for a B wave. Okay, and so where are we looking at? What do we see? This is a 233-day moving average. The 55 is below that. So the long-term trend is currently down. The intermediate trend is currently down. Now, that could change here with this move, but this is a pretty strong little snapback rally. And now it's at 405. So it hit 414 open, 405. So, we're hitting this range. This is a point here that I think this was previous support here on August 1st of last year. And then here is the recent rally peak on November 3rd. Okay, so this looks like a resistance zone to me. All right, now we've popped slightly above it. So we'll see how long we last up here and how long this move lasts. Now let's take one more look at a retracement figure here. Go from the peak down to the bottom. 38% here, 61.8% is right in here. And where is 61? 50% retrace is right here at, let's see, about 402, 403. 61.8% retrace is 423. So we're right in this, retracement zone in here also. Can B waves go a little bit higher than 61.8? Yes, they can. I mean, they could pull back up into here. So we'll have to watch and see what this how the trading acts. But right now, I'm suspecting and thinking that this is simply a counter trend move in a downward trend that Netflix is currently in. And depending on the peak and where we go in here, this could develop into a large head and shoulders pattern. Okay, let me get rid of the crosshairs. This could develop into, this could be a shoulder, this could be the head, this could be another shoulder developing with this trade too. So you need to keep that in mind as we're watching what's developing here. All right, that's it on Netflix. We'll see how it trades today and over the next couple of weeks. This has been Joe for Beyond the Chart. Have a great Wednesday, everyone.